All right, next we're going to be talking about the devices report here. So it's going to go to devices, the last 14 days. So you can see conversions are mostly on computers here. So just copy this, copy. So with something like this, we could do device modifications. So if we export this to Sheets, then we go to the Add Account Maintenance and go to Devices. Click on the sample report. You're going to want to grab these three. Paste them in here. This is going to be at the ad group level. And there's not necessarily a target CPA yet. Um, oops. There's no target CPA yet, but if there is one, you want to sort by cost, and then you'd essentially filter out, clear. So just look at the zero cost ones first, and then you do a negative on them, so the bid adjustment. Say, for example, our target CPA is 30 bucks, and we already spent 37 here. We do a bid adjustment of -10, and it's not very scientific. It's between 0 and 30%. So that's how you kind of want to go with it. So these could all be like -10, -5, -5. And then you can look at stuff that has a low cost per acquisition. So you can select all, data, sort range by cost of conversion, low to high. So these are some like zero cost per conversions. So you can make these all like 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. And that's how you'd pretty much do it. Then after you have this, you're going to want to select all once again, then filter out blanks. And you're going to want to take this entire thing, go into Google Ads Editor, pull up devices. Oh, you can't do it in Google Ads Editor, so you kind of have to eyeball it within the UI. For some reason, you can't. So you just have to go to devices. So if you go to search campaigns, for example, um, campaigns, devices, all campaigns, devices. We can sort this by cost. So if you say anything conversions, for example, conversions, all conversions, that's greater than 0.1, less than 0.1. So these are all zero conversion stuff. And you can see the cost on some of these. So all these are like super expensive, especially these. Change bid adjustments. You might want to decrease this by like, I don't know, 10%. Apply. And then you just see these, a good amount of cost as well. Just decrease this by like 10%, like 5%. And that's how you want to go about it. Just um, based on our KPIs, like this definitely is a lot of spend. So you want to decrease bids a little bit on there. And then we go in here. Um, so you can look at the analysis and just share this with the client. Anyone with the link. Edit this, paste that in here. Um, computers have a lot of spend and low conversions. Something very simple like that. Performs bid adjustments. And that's how you do the dissection.